The first thing I would do is simplify the complex fractions. So I've copied this fraction on the left right here. And this is the main division bar. So I need to multiply top and bottom by b. Those b's cancel and you're left with a over bc. Excuse me. So the same thing for this fraction on the right, which I've copied here. And we need to multiply top and bottom by c over c. So it's ac over, let's see, it's b. So we're trying to figure out, if I can find my color, is a over bc, well, it's given, a over bc equals ac over b. So let's look at this form instead of the complex form. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says a equals 1. Let's plug in 1, and that gives me 1 over bc equals c over b. Well, that doesn't work out, does it? It might work out if b, c were both equal to 1, but like if b is 2 and c is 1, it's not going to work. So clue 1, the clues have to work all the time. Now look at 2. Clue 2 says c equals 1. We'll plug that back in up here. And that's going to give me a over b, because we're letting c be 1. And c be 1 there gives you a over b. Those are obviously equal, so that works. Clue 2 works. Answer is B.